Look at that smile. I got an excuse to smile when I take this mask off. The pandemic was probably one of the best things that happened for me. And just follow me. I mean, because, I had an excuse to cover my smile with the mask, I never really was a big smiler, self-conscious about my teeth or whatever. And if I did smile, it was only just a little bit, like a tiny bit, like this much. But then being on Instagram, I seen a bunch of reviews about Pop On Veneers, This little blue thing here, the best thing ever. They ship it straight to your house. It comes out. Molds, it's so thin, paper thin. And they pop right on, look. Bottoms. Tops. Look at that smile. Yeah, man. Yeah, never know. I got an excuse to smile when I take this mask off. Pop on.